What's going on, guys? And today we're getting rid of this mess here. As stated in the last video, it was time for a toolbox. No, nobody donated it, but I broke down, went and got one. So let's get this thing put together. Quick look, standing about waist high. Ten drawers. Does have wheels and handle on the side. I went and got one more box there because we were running out of room. So anyway, here we'll see the quick setup of what we have. All in all, what you're looking at here was $360, and it does give plenty of storage for somebody that doesn't do wrenching every day and somebody that just works on a few cars here and there. So if you guys found the video helpful, again, a quick like and subscribe is always appreciated. Don't forget to browse the rest of the channel for the content.